Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets. We are here at Lifted Truck Nationals, and we're coming back to you guys with another episode of From the Gallery. This time, I'm joined by a very special guest. I'm joined by Mr. Matt Warren, to my right here, of Lab Built Fab. I said it twice in a row, and I got it right.
And I'm special.
So, Matt, we're going to do an episode of From the Gallery here. I don't know if you've seen those before or not,
yeah.
but we take trucks from our gallery, rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so hot, 10 being pretty awesome. Before we do that, wheels, tires, or suspension, customoffsets.com is where you can find that stuff. We're also doing a full build giveaway. So we're actually giving away Archon wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, and a Superlift suspension kit shipped right to their door. Really, it's pretty awesome,
Good
actually.
setup.
All you got to do to get entered to win is pick up a t-shirt, not this one, although you can find this one on our website as well, but the giveaway shirt I wore yesterday. It got really sweaty, so I wasn't going to wear it again today. customoffsets.com/giveaways where you can find that. So are you ready?
I think so.
Let's jump right into it then. So up first is a 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500 on American Force Origins, 26 by 14. RBP repulsors, the MT there, and a 37 by 13.5 and a 9-inch FTS suspension lift kit. So beautiful, beautiful cat eye Chevy here.
I'm a big fan of the cat eyes.
Oh man, they're so timeless. I sat with Bug BMX yesterday, I think, and him and I were talking about how we're convinced that this is going to be the next OBS.
Yeah,
right?
I think that's the new generation square body.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is, because they're so common. They sold so many of them. They hold up good, and they just look good. I mean, when they're color matched, they work.
Just a timeless design. So I see it's got a little color mat, or a little splash of color, down here in the FTS cross
blue?
member.
That blue?
It looks to be a blue color, yes,
oh,
sir.
Blue and white, can't go wrong there.
Yeah, no, sir. I know another guy's got a truck blue and white. Looks fantastic. Chrome caps on the tow mirrors, painted to match on the bumper with just the chrome strip in the middle, which looks fantastic on this truck. Rock lights all around, obviously. Just a nice, simple build, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll give us a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll rate it. Ready?
All right.
I'm going to go back to a nice quarter angle shot so I can give her one last look. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
8.
9. Yeah, beautiful truck. Looks really good. I'm a sucker for white cat eyes.
And it's just something. It's not overdone. It's not underdone. It's a truck that you could sell to anybody. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a nice setup. It's
Yeah,
clean.
it's beautiful. Yep, exactly. So cool. All right, up next is a 2012 Ford F350 Super Duty. I picked this one out yesterday. I was super excited about it because we sat with Gabe yesterday and did
no
it from
kidding.
the gallery as well.
No
so,
kidding.
If you guys don't know, this is Gabe Farrell's truck. Damn. 2012 F350. He's on fuel forged FF19s. It's a 20 by 14 in the front and then a 20 by 8.5 in the rear because of dually, obviously. Goodyear military tread tires and a 395/85, which I believe is 46.5 inches. And just a massive lift kit on this one. So let me see if Gabe's got his details. It's a Plan B Fab 20-inch. Coilovers in the front and the rear. He's got a bunch of other details here. Alpha X headlights, color matched grills in the mirrors.
He's got to put no rubbing or scrubbing. Of course not.
Yeah, exactly. Look how big it is. So, really cool truck though. What I think is super neat about this one is it's dually converted.
Absolutely.
So it's super neat. You don't see a lot of guys do stuff like that with trucks. So. Big old front bumper. Obviously, like I said, he's got lighting going on. He's got tint. He's got a picture of him pulled over here, which I would expect driving a truck like that.
Man, it looks like an Illinois cop, so that works.
Yeah, he's from Illinois, actually. Yes, sir. Just a neat looking truck in this brown and this tan. So
It's a good color scheme.
for sure. He was here. It's actually ironic. I was hoping he would have parked in the same spot because yesterday he was parked right over my shoulder right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just across the pond he was. So cool. I am ready to rate this one if you are.
Same.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 10.
9.
Yeah, I love this thing. Knowing that he dually converted it makes it all that much better for me.
It's just a beast, man. And
Yeah.
you can't look at that and you can't not love it, man.
Yeah.
It's a great truck.
It's rowdy, and he just put a turbo in it that's literally the size of his head, if you haven't seen it. It's massive. So, cool. Up next, 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500, KG1 forged bounties in a 26 by 16. It still blows my mind that we can get 16 wide wheels, by the way. Nuts.
Oh, yeah.
Fury Country Hunter MTs in a 38 15.5 because Fury's one of the manufacturers that offers tires for wheels that big, and a 9-inch McGoy suspension lift kit.
Yeah, so this guy was actually another guy that was at SEMA at 19 when I was, and we kind of followed each other's builds as we were doing them. So, and he's, you know, another 7 to 9 truck, and it's a nice setup. It's so clean in person. It's insane.
Yeah, it looks super good. Not a lot of notes down here, but either way, just beautiful, beautiful pickup. You know, big old front bumper there. He's got the LED cubes. This is, I'm going to go on record and say this is one of my favorite new body style Chevys.
Yeah, I've always felt like the GMCs were easier to kind of get to flow and make just the way the headlights are, but this truck's done right.
Yeah, I love the split headlight on these trucks. Looks super good. So just a couple of pictures. I'm guessing that's a SEMA desert picture if I've ever seen one before.
That's a lake bed, I believe. That's the quintessential SEMA photo.
There's some footage of K350 out there whipping donuts and that too. It's pretty pretty cool. So not a whole lot of photos, but I mean, color match everything under here. Everything looks good. Big old chrome tip. I like that he did a tip out the side versus an axle dump.
That's an oddity anymore.
Yeah, a lot of guys are doing axle dumps, which I don't hate, but it looks good on this truck to have a side exit, you know. So cool. Just a couple of photos, but I'm ready to rate this one if you are.
Yep.
All right. 3, 2, 1, 10. Yeah. I mean, I can't not. It looks super good. The polished wheel looks good, you know, with the white. It's a great build.
Yeah, absolutely.
Up next is a 2017 Ram 2500, hardcore off-road HC15s, 26x14s, Fury Country Hunter MTs, and a 40x15.5, and a 12-inch McGoy's suspension lift kit. This thing's cool.
For sure.
The splash of color down here is awesome.
I'm a sucker for the teal, man.
For real.
It just works on a dark truck. Oh, awesome.
And it's extra tough because you can't see on my screen right now because it's...
you can see that color, though.
So anyway, yeah, super dark truck, splash of color in the bottom, looks really good. I see he's got the dual steering stabilizer up front, LED light bar in the front bumper, which is super cool. See how it's tucked up in there?
Oh yeah, the curves look great on those trucks.
Yeah, and I think that's because the whole front end of those trucks peels back. You know?
Absolutely.
It looks super good. So looks like he powdered the springs as well. Matches the wheels super well. Big old Instagram tag on the tailgate.
Serious about the gram, man.
Yeah, you definitely, you can't miss that one. Gen Y hitch in the back too here, all, of course, powdered to match. Looks super good. Not a whole lot of photos other than that. See if there's any notes. Nothing in the bottom. Okay, cool. Let's rate it. 3, 2, 1, 9. Yep, super cool truck. Looks really good. I just would like to see a little bit more, I think. Either some bumper action and then paint it to match or something. I think it's great so far, but it's almost there.
It's a well-done truck, but it's the well-done truck that probably 100 other guys have.
Correct.
The color sets it off, but I'm with you. It needs some bumpers. It needs something to set it off. And maybe a little bit smaller Instagram tag on that. Just a little bit.
Yeah, I did take half a point off for that, I think. So. All right, one more. 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. American Force Morphs in a 30x16. Fury Country Hunter MTs in a 42 16.5. Because, again, Fury, I think, when you get up to 30s, is one of only 2 tire manufacturers that makes tires that big. And this guy's on a 12-inch McGoy's lift kit. So just going down here, so it's the McGoy's 9-inch. He's got a stacked leveling kit, and it's a 3-inch body lift as well. So, which I mean, I would expect if you want to clear
tire on that
for real. So 12 inches of lift, 30x16, still stuffing tire in the wheel wells. It's crazy.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's pretty rowdy actually.
It almost looks like one of those cartoonish deals you can have done on Insta.
Yeah.
Like where you like shrink your truck down.
Yeah, for real.
There's just so much wheel.
I can't even fathom either. Like I look at the Super Duty and that's on 40s, you know. So I can't imagine how big this thing has to be in person.
Yeah.
It's so hard to tell that in photos.
It reminds me of Boone's truck over here.
Yeah.
It's got Boone's wheels, and it's just like sunk my body on that. It's like, that's not going to work, but it works, obviously, so that's crazy.
Correct. Yeah, other than that, I mean, it's a relatively stock-bodied truck. You know, it's got the chrome front bumper there, little window tint going on. But other than that, not a whole lot else done. All right, I'm gonna take one more look at it here. Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, 7.
7.
Yep. And it makes me feel bad doing it.
Yeah, and me too, but it's just like, and I'm not going to be the guy to ever say this, I don't think, but it's just too much wheel.
Yeah.
It's just too much wheel. It looks cool in a way, but I like to build trucks that you can drive every day, and I would be scared to drive that, I think. I
For
really
real.
would.
For real. I think the biggest thing for me is, like, Guy went crazy nuts with the wheel and tire package. That's big. And the lift
Absolutely.
kit's big too. But it's missing the next step, right? It's missing even just a set of track bars in here, which is ironic because, you know. But seriously, a set of track bars in here would completely change the way this truck looks because you wouldn't have, you
All
have
the
this big
open-
negative space down here, you know.
Bumpers, track bars, and yeah, it just
Tow mirrors, you know,
it's
give
a
it.
good setup, but man, it's just like I couldn't imagine. You know, I got more lift than him. I got about the same amount of lift as him, and there's no way I'm running 30s on mine. It's scary. And
Yeah,
the wheels
it's-
and tires cost as much as the whole truck.
It's crazy. Cool. Well, there you have it, guys. There's another episode of From the Gallery. Matt, thank you so much
Hey,
for,
no problem,
for joining
man.
us
Thanks
today.
for having me.
If you guys want the chance for your truck to be rated on a future episode of From the Gallery, you're going to want to add it to our gallery. You can do that, customoffsets.com/add. And with that, I think this concludes it. We should be good to go. So thanks again for
Hey, no
joining us
problem,
today.
man. Thanks.
Peace.